You're welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing part of my premium video with you, and we're just going to be talking about body measurements. Let's get started. Please check the descriptions and you will see where you can get the full video, and it's going to be about how to make a six-piece dress.
Welcome to the Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.
To make any style by freehand, it is very important you take your body measurements. This is what we'll be discussing in this section. The shoulder. Measure straight from one end of the shoulder blade to the other. The bust. Wrap the tape measure around the fullest part of the body, making sure that it is not too tight or too loose. Half length. This is measured from the highest point of your shoulder to your natural waistline. Waist. Wrap the tape measure around your natural waistline or wherever you want the length of your skirt to start from. To measure the hip, wrap your tape measure around the fullest part of your lower body. This is usually between 8 to 8.5 inches from your natural waistline. Make sure it is not too loose or too tight for you. The skirt length is measured from your natural waistline or wherever you have decided you want your skirt to start from, and it's measured all the way down to your desired skirt length. This can be above the knee, below the knee, or all the way to the ground. The full length is measured from the shoulder all the way to your foot, that's all the way to the ground. So as you measure this, make sure that your tape measure passes over the fullest part of your bust so that you get an accurate measurement. As the name implies, your sleeve length measures the length of the sleeve. So this starts from your shoulder joint, your arm joint, all the way to whatever length you desire. This can be anywhere above or below the elbow joint, all the way down to your wrist. The sleeve round measures the circumference around where you want your sleeve to end. So to do this, you just wrap your tape measure around that part of the body where you want your sleeve to end. To measure your armhole, you wrap the tape measure from the top of your shoulder, you pass it under your armpit and right back to where you started from at the top of the shoulder. I hope you have found this short video helpful. Please check the description if you would like to see more about this. Again, this was part of my premium video that I have linked below. Please check it out if you would like to be a part of it. It's going to be a video on how to make a six-piece dress, and there are many other videos that are premium. Thank you so much. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, remember to click the subscription button. And please don't forget to click the notification button. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.